Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharmatrix. In this video we will see how to do graphical representation from Excel data. Means if you have any feedback from guest lecture, expert sessions, and you have to analyze what is the response from the students. So I have taken a response from the student from different years and summarize this data from this Excel sheet, that is particulars very high, high, medium, low and very low. So whatever may be the question provided is the content useful for shaping your career. So this is different questions I have provided in the Google response, and total number of students responded is 81. And how many of you have in case of the particular questions, suppose for second question 48 student given response for the very high, means did the expert knowledge, teaching style and communication is very good, planning ability is good, according to that they have responded. And next task is we have to analyze the feedback, whatever may be student provided feedback, that we have to analyze. So this is feedback received from the different students from different year. So I have analyzed this data and we have to prepare the graphical presentation. So just I will remove this, or I will shorten this file. So I have to prepare a graphical presentation from this data. So I have to select and insert whatever may be which type of graph you want or chart you want. According to that you can insert. This is once you have selected and insert the graphical presentation, then you will be looking this. So once when you enlarge this file, it will be showing in this way. Suppose this is the questions and respondent progress is showing here. So very high, high, medium, low and very low, whatever may be the graphical presentation is seeing in this graph. So in this way we can analyze our feedback sessions, whatever may be given to the students. So this is a simple trick to analyze feedback which is received from the students. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.